Hi Aries, welcome to my channel JK777. This is your reading for June 2020. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And if you're a cross watcher, please keep in mind that the energies will be vice versa or interchangeable. Also guys, this is a general reading. These messages will resonate with most of you but not all of you, okay? So if you want an accurate reading, you can always book your readings with me. My website address is jyotitaroreadings.com. it's mentioned in the screen also, okay? So let me shuffle the cards, Aries. Let's see what do we have in store for you, Aries. Let's see what do we have for Aries in the month of June 2020. Keep these cards aside. Okay, this just popped up, Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords, that's the overall energy. Let me pull up one more card for you, Aries. What's your overall energy? Let me clarify the Ace of Swords for you. Give me some message for Aries. Okay, so we have the Seven of Swords. Aries, there is someone, I feel this is for some of you. Aries, I feel that you are going through some problems in your relationship, and the reason could be one of your family member or one of your friend. Okay, maybe, okay, this just popped out. This is a King of Pentacles. So could be you may be dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or the air energy, so Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be dealing. See, we have a Seven of Swords again. Okay, so we have Knight of Pentacles. I guess Aries, some of you are going through some issues in your love life, and this could be because of your family member or somebody who is close to you. This could be your friend too. Okay, maybe you're listening to this person a lot, so you'll have to be careful there, Aries. And some of you, I feel that you are in a third party situation, Aries. So this is for some of you, not for all. I do feel I'm getting this, maybe that you are in a third party situation. Let me see your person's energy. Let me see what is your person's energy first, so that I proceed further. Okay, this is a Knight of Cups. Okay, oh my god, okay, this just popped up. So we have the Nine of Wands. Aries, your person loves you. You know, this person that you are with, this person really loves you, and in some cases I feel this person is trying to patch up with you. You know, they want to work out things with you. You know, they really, I don't know, whatever issues you are having with this person wants to sort it out. They want to meet you, talk to you. Okay, now see, we have this Ten of Swords in reverse. As I said, Aries, I don't know why I have the Seven of Swords and the Ten of Swords. So definitely, I guess you are in a third party situation, Aries. This is not for all, please keep that in mind. So because you are in a third party situation, this person, your partner, they know about this, you know, or they have got to know about this, because of which either they are done with you and they don't want to be in relationship, or they don't want to talk to you, they don't want to be Okay, this just popped up. So we have the Wheel of Fortune here. Let me keep these cards like this. Okay, now this person, as I said, Aries, I think they know, they got to know, they have come to know that you were in touch with someone else, or you were seeing somebody, something like this, and because of which this person is trying to go away from you, or they want to end this relationship, but then somehow they feel they should give you a chance. Now this is for some of you, not for all, please keep that in mind. For some of you, I feel that this person, I don't know why, Aries, I don't know, I do feel that this person is trying to end this relationship with you. Or why is this? Let me clarify this. Why is this person trying to end this relationship with you? Let me clarify this. Why is this? Okay, see, we have the Magician and the Wheel of Fortune. Now there are two scenarios here, Aries. For some of you, I feel that this person is trying to end this relationship with you. They are done. Okay, I'm getting mixed messages over here. So I feel these messages are for two sets of people. The first is that this person is trying to end this relationship with you, and this could be, as I said before, this could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This could be an Aries. You may be dealing with an Aries. You may be dealing with a Gemini. Or this could be the Cups energy, that is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And in the second scenario, for the second Lord, I feel that this person tried to patch up with you, and for some of you the reconciliation is already done, and for some of you this person is already trying. Okay, so if I pick up your person's energy, I'm getting two messages. Okay, so these two messages, they're for two set of people. Now, okay, this is Ten of Wands. Aries, for some of you, I feel that you are going through a lot of stress. Maybe you are responsible for a lot many things. You have a lot of responsibility on your shoulders, and your focus is career, your focus is a new study. Maybe you are trying to study further, or maybe you are trying to learn some new talent, new skill, joining a university, school, whatever it is, but you're doing something new. And for some of you, yes, I think you have got a new job, or you're going to start a new job, something like this. October is quite prominent in your reading, Aries, so definitely there is something that may happen in October. October is quite prominent in this reading, so I feel, Aries, you and your person, lot of communication is going to happen between you two. Lot of communication, talking to each other, arguments. You will try to understand this person. You may try to convince your partner, or they may try to convince you. I do see lot of communication happening between you two. Now this is the Sun. I think things are going to get better between you two, come what may. For some of you, things are going to get better, and especially if you're already married and you are in a happy space, we have the Sun for you, so definitely things are going better for some of you. You are in a very happy space now. But yes, lots of ups and downs between you two. So we have the Five of Pentacles here. I think your relationship will get better, Aries. Okay, I do see that your relationship is going to get better, and it's just that you both, for some of you, you both will have to sit together and discuss things. We have a Knight of Swords. So this person wants to communicate with you, this person wants to talk to you, you want to talk to them. And I don't know why I feel, Aries, you are keeping a very close watch on your partner. It could be through social media, whatever it is, but you're following them regularly, you are keeping yourself updated with what are they doing, where are they going, etc, etc. Maybe you're checking their messages, whatever it is, and vice versa, even they are doing the same. But as I said, for some of you, this person you are dating or you are in relationship with, this person may try to end this relationship because they are not happy in this and they are dying to end. Maybe because, as I told you, because they have got to know that you are in a third party situation and they don't want to be with you anymore. So some of you, things are a bit difficult in June. Things can get better, but I do feel that you will be in this energy of constant arguments, fights, whatever it is. Yeah, for some of you, quite possible that this person has blocked you. Maybe they are not willing to meet you or something like this, your partner, or this could be you who is not willing to meet them. Aries, I feel that this person needs communication, this person wants clarity, and you are the kind of person who will not talk much, a person with few words. But I think you will have to talk a lot, you will have to express how you feel towards this person. And yes, I feel that some of you are being nostalgic because you may have had a bad childhood in the past. This is for some of you, so you may feel nostalgic about that. And I don't know, Aries, I do feel that there's someone in your life who is trying to pollute your relationship. This could be a friend or a relative, so you'll have to stay away from this person, okay? Somebody is trying to pollute your mind, so you will have to stay away from this person. You know it better who is this person, but please don't listen to anybody. If you take a decision, whatever decision you take, make sure that you verify it and you're sure of the situation. So you have made a decision. I don't know, it could be anything. It could be let me see, what is this decision about? Okay, we have a 7 of Pentacles. What is the 7 of Pentacles for? Let me see, Aries. Why do we have the 7 of Pentacles? I got this. 2 of Pentacles and Princess of Wands. So this just popped up, Aries. So Princess of Wands. I think, Aries, you were confused between two people in your life, and I think you have made the decision, or you are going to make this decision in the month of June. Okay, anywhere close to June, I think you're going to make this decision of being with somebody. You have made this decision of moving ahead with one person. You don't want to sail on two boats. So you have made this decision, and for some of you, as I said, you may end up with this person, and this could be a new person that you have met, and you're trying to move on with the new person, or some of you may try to patch up with this person because this person is trying hard to patch up with you. For some of you, I think you may go with this person, and for some of you, you may choose the new person that is there in your life. Let me see, what does your person feel for you? Let me pull out one more card for you, Aries. Okay, this is the King of Swords. See, this person is also cold towards you, Aries. This person is also cold towards you, and there are, as I said, there are two reasons. The first is that this person wants to patch up with you because you have made the decision of moving ahead with somebody else that you were involved with. And the second is, this person knows that you have betrayed this person, and still this person wants to come back to you. They are willing to give this relationship a second chance. So there are two scenarios over here, but I do still feel that the overall outcome is going to be quite pleasant for you. Somehow you both are going to sit together, discuss things, at least for you, Aries. I don't feel that, I feel that you can manage well, because we have the sun, so definitely I feel you can manage well. Let me pull out some more cards. With the sun, I think that things are going to get better between you and your partner. In majority, for majority of you, I feel things are going to get better. And lot of communication, convincing each other, things are going to go on and on and on. But okay, so this card just flipped. I'll take it as it is. This is the Fool. Let me clarify this Fool. Let me clarify this Fool for you. Okay, this card just, okay. Aries, in your case, universe is going to do justice. Justice in the sense, whatever is destined is going to come your way. So if you have been honest with this person, or this person has been honest towards you, and you both really love each other, things are going to work in your favor. And for majority of you, I feel that things are going to get better, because we have the sun, we have the followed by justice and the Fool. So definitely things are going to get better for you. Let me pull out romance angel cards. Let me see what do we have for you, Aries. Okay, passion. Yes, you are passionate towards somebody in your life. You know, lot of passion between you both. This could be for people who are in a stable relationship, you are married or whatever, but I do see passion. Retreat. Yes, you're taking some time off. You're disconnecting from the world, focusing on your life, thinking about what you should do, how do you go about making a decision, which I already said that some of you are going to make a decision between two people. And let me pull out one more card for you, Aries. Let me see what do we have for you. Okay. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So definitely, if you are single, I feel that Aries, you will have to take help of somebody else. It could be a friend or somebody who you're close to. But be careful. Okay, this friend has to be genuine and honest. Just don't trust anybody blindly. But I feel that if you are single, this message is for you. Okay, maybe you like somebody and things are not moving ahead. You may have to take help of your friends or somebody you're close to get to this person, you know, you really love, or something like this. And for some of you, yes, if you are in a stable relation, things are going very well and the passion is equal from both the ends, and it's time to disconnect from the world. Some of you, you're going to focus on your relationship. Let me keep this aside. Let me pull out some more card, Aries, for you. Okay. See, you're going to get a new job or promotion, and this is going to come out of the blue. You may not expect this, and this is just going to happen. This is as far as your career is concerned, Aries. So, okay, we have the second card. Adjudication and reverse. For some of you, I feel the separation is in process and that's taking some time. Maybe you are, this is, oh my god, we have the same card twice. Okay, as I said, for some of you, you are going through some separation. Could be some court cases for some of you, and maybe the divorce process is taking long, something like this. Okay, this is for some of you. Separation is there. And the good news is, Aries, as I said, as far as your career is concerned, you are going to gain some wealth, okay? You're going to gain unexpected income. Despair, this is definitely, as far as your love life is concerned, you're going to be sad, upset. You are in pain, especially for people who are going through this divorce. You are in pain, not happy with the situation. Some of you, I feel that you are going to spend a lot of time with your family, meeting each other. It could be meeting relatives, some get-togethers. So a lot of family time for you, Aries, in the month of June. So just let me sum this up for you. Aries, the message for you is just go with the flow. Justice is going to be served to you. That's the message for you. This I've already cleared, this I've cleared. Okay, this I've cleared, this I've cleared. Let me pull out one more card as far as the overall energy is concerned for you, Aries. Okay, this is the message for you. That is Four of Cups. Aries, I feel that there is somebody who loves you. Definitely you're going to focus on someone who really loves you, you know, who's trying hard to get close to you. And King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. You could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be dealing with air signs. That is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Leo. Let me see what else do we have. For some of you, Aries, I feel that this person, your partner, is not talking to you, or they have stopped talking to you all of a sudden. So as I mentioned before, that there are two scenarios. In one scenario, I feel that your person has come to know that you are in a third party situation, because of which they feel hurt, and you know, they are trying to gather all the broken pieces and move forward in life. That is also a reason why they are not talking to you. This is for some of you. This person is not talking to you. They have blocked you. And for the others of you, I feel that there is somebody who is trying to patch up with you, and this person needs communication. They want to come forward, talk to you, solve all these issues, whatever. So I really hope, Aries, you enjoyed the readings, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. Alright, so you take care. Bye.